And that's pretty much it. You have the file section here. This is where you can do things like if you're recording, you can show recordings, you can access settings and stuff like that. For the edit tab, this is where if you want to do things like copy paste and stuff like that, you can do that. Again, I invite you to go and explore the whole user interface, but it's actually super easy and very straightforward. So we're not gonna take too much time exploring OBS. Probably gonna make another separate video about this. Okay, what we need to do for now, I'm gonna go ahead and actually create our first scene and add sources so we can go live on Facebook. So again, we got the first scene, which is the welcome scene. What we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and click the plus sign here under that scene, and we're gonna create our first scene, which is the welcome scene, which is what people actually get to see before you go live. Where we're gonna do, some people use a countdown timer, like a timer from like 10 minutes until you go live, but for now we're just gonna create a simple image, okay? And that's gonna be an image that says welcome, and that's what we want people to see before actually we start speaking on a live stream, okay? And then for the image, we're gonna call it welcome image, and then hit okay. And then what we need to do, we're gonna go ahead and go to image file and hit browse, okay? But again, I have some images already that I've actually created on my desktop here, okay? So I'm gonna go to the folder and I have this image called welcome, okay? I'm gonna go ahead and actually click on it. Again, you can go to Photoshop or Canva, create something that you want people to see, that goes with your brand and your messaging, right? Whatever you want to display before you go live. It could be a video or it could be an image, okay? And then hit okay, and as you can see, it shows up right here. Now this is not live. Again, if you exit the studio mode, it's gonna show up as soon as you add it or as soon as you select it. But I like to use the studio mode because it gives you an opportunity to preview something before actually it goes live, okay? Now the next thing we are going to add some music on this scene, okay? So that when you go before you go live, people can see the image, but they can also enjoy some music, right? So we're gonna go under the same scene and we go to sources, hit the plus sign, and then we're gonna go to media source. And for the media source, we say, let's call it intro music. We're gonna go ahead and click OK. And then what we're gonna do, we wanna make sure we check the loop because we need the music to be looping. In case the music is kind of short, you want